Today we're going to be looking at Gamer X Series 6-port Type-C hub for the Steam Deck. I'm going to unbox it and then I'll set the Steam Deck in it and see how well or not that it sits and works. You got a Type-C connection, USB 3, another Type-C, HDMI, and an Ethernet port. So let's open this up. You got your instruction manual right here. Stickers. You can design this. Here is a glove. Okay. I like this one because it had the padded back and the back was adjustable. The other one I had wasn't really a lot of support for the Steam Deck, and you kind of had to watch how you set it in there. This is so much better. Lots of support. And you can do different angles. And it plugs in right there. There, make sure it's under that lip there. And here's what it looks like plugged in. And you can see on the back, you've got your USB-C, USB 3, and you can tell by the blue, and your Ethernet and your HDMI port. Okay, there. Not a lot of direction. So I've got a USB-C plug right here, so we'll plug that in. It provides power. You can tell by the green light going on there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and switch these over. Here is the old part. I'll have the link in the description for you. You can see, I mean, that back does not offer a lot of support. And you kind of have to be careful how you're putting it in there. Okay, so I'm going to switch it to this, and you can see there's a pretty big difference there. We want to switch over. So you can see I've got my HDMI, Ethernet, my controller, and the power is right here. Plug that in there. Okay, Steam in here, plug it in, okay, and use the controller with it. Everything's all set. I'm using the controller. There is the Gamer X Series 6-port Type-C hub for the Steam Deck. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.